In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Telegram private group video. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key point. You can only download videos from a private Telegram group if you're actually a member of that group, and the group allows access to the content. If a group has restrictions in place, Telegram may limit what you can save, so keep that in mind as we go. To download a video directly in Telegram on mobile, start by opening the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in the app, go to the private group where the video was posted. Take a moment to scroll through the chat until you find the specific video you want to save. When you see the video, tap on it to open it fully. This makes it easier to access the available options. After the video opens, look for the three-dot menu usually shown in the top corner of the screen. Tap that menu to bring up more actions. From there, choose Save to Gallery or Save Video, depending on what your version of Telegram shows. After you tap that option, Telegram should begin saving the video to your device. If the video doesn't download, there are a few simple things to check. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can interrupt the download process. Next, confirm that you're still a member of the private group, because if you've lost access, you may not be able to download the file anymore. It's also a good idea to check your device storage. If your phone is low on space, Telegram may not be able to save the video even if everything else is working properly. If you don't see a save video option, don't worry. On some versions of Telegram, the app may only show Save As instead. That can still work for saving the file. If the options look different from what you expect, try updating Telegram to the latest version from your device's app store. Newer versions often improve file handling and menu options. One more thing to know is that some private groups use content protection. If the group owner has enabled this setting, Telegram can block forwarding and saving for shared media. In that situation, there is no official way to download the video through Telegram unless the owner allows it. That's the full process. If everything is enabled and you have access, saving a private group video in Telegram is usually quick and straightforward.